Alright, if you haven't seen my other video on exponents, I advise you go and watch that now so you can have a better understanding of what I'm about to do. In this video, I wanted to talk about properties of exponents. Now, basically what that means is that we can have exponents doing different things, exponents performing different functions and different no, they just do different things. Add, subtract, divide, multiply. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now when you're in your in mathematics, we can have bases other than just numbers. We can also have bases with letters that we call variables. So let's say that we had a base of x. That's x. A base of x raised to the power of 3. If you can't read that, that's x cubed. And let's say that we had it being multiplied by 2. So basically what this means is that we have to distribute this 2 to this 3 to get x to the power of 6. It's when you have just one term raised to a power, then you're being multiplied by another power. You just multiply those two numbers. Okay, let's do another one like that. Let's say we had y to the fourth multiplied to the third power. Y to the fourth raised to the third power. It's basically the same thing. What you do is you just multiply 4 times 3 and you get y to the 12th. Alright. Let's do something a little bit more. Let's do some more things. So basically, what I just tried to explain to you guys is that when you have a base with an exponent and it's being raised to another power, you just multiply those two powers. That's all you have to do. And it's usually in parentheses, okay? So just let you guys know. Now we're going to do something with multiplying two bases with exponents. Let's say that we had x squared times x cubed. If you can't read that, that's x squared times x cubed. Now basically what that means is when you're multiplying two bases with different exponents, or even if they are the same exponent, we add them. We add the exponents and keep the base. So basically we have x to the fifth. And it kind of makes sense because if you have a base being exponentially formed, that means you're just multiplying it by itself however many times. So we have x squared, we have x times x cubed, x times x times x. And those are 5 x's, so that's just a quick little way to remind yourself that you're going to get x raised to the 5th. Let's do one with dividing. Let's say that we had x raised to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 4. That's x to the 5th divided by x to the 4th. Remember, you can only do these things when you have the same base. Okay, so when we're dividing, we have to subtract the exponents, and we get x to the first, or simply x. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. There are other things that must be done, so I'll get back to you guys in another video, and there'll be more tutorials coming soon. Blog TV will start, and I'll see you there.